ADM.
I've been watching that.
And how come you don't hear no sirens? And that's coming this way.
I know.
I wonder why them people stop in their cars. Now it's going small again. Going back up.
I might go right over top of us.
I'm thinking it is. Hope it stays small like that when it does. Now, say, car, you better go. I wouldn't sit right there. Oh, got it.
Just checking. Holy shit. That just took that building out.
Yeah, it did.
Should we get away from the windows? Take the cover.
Right over us.
Yeah.
Hold on, hold on.
Think we'll have a car on the ground?
We're gonna have something on the ground. I guarantee we will. Crack the shit out of our windows. Get shit all on the thing. Shattered my window.
Yeah.
Or it's a double plane window.
We're in emergency.
Yeah, I'm sure it knocked the car over. Let me see. Yeah, we got trees and everything else behind us. Yeah. Yeah, it knocked the car over.